Hello and welcome to another tutorial using Bargain Bead Box Serengeti. I'm starting by making this central pendant of this elephant. I've had to use some small seed beads, as you can see, and I'm going to top it with a bicone, and now I'm going to wire wrap it. I start by wrapping the wire around the nose of the pliers as far as it can go. I then flip my pliers and continue wrapping the wire around the nose. Before I finish wrapping it, I open it up and attach it to the bail like this, and now I complete the wrapping. And it should look something like this. Next thing I'm going to do is get my T-bar, thread my waxed thread through it, and then tie a knot. I haven't thought of a fixed pattern, so I'm just going to start loading on the beads and knotting off every so often, and this was my process. Okay, so that's all the beading, and all I need to do now is create a loop for the T-bar to go through. I've used these black seed beads and then I've just knotted it off when I got it to the correct size. Last thing I'm going to do is add a bead just to decorate the end, and then snip and burn it off, and then we're done. Here it is, and again, primarily I'm going to use it as a necklace, but I can also use it as a wrap bracelet. I prefer using the wax thread, but you could very easily substitute it for wire. I just personally prefer how the thread drapes, but again, each to their own. We all prefer different things. So I'd love to know what you thought. Would you use wire or would you use wax thread? And if I could ask you to like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.